So what are some advanced rhythm guitar techniques? What it really comes down to is something very simple. You're already doing it, because the advanced is twice the speed of whatever we play. So we might have I'm just gonna play a D minor 7 here. See if I can, right? And I learned this when I was playing funk. You know, I've been visiting different styles of music, and that's very beneficial to see what's going on in there. What's the key traits of every style of music? And funk is like, right? You have like subdivisions in your right hand that are crazy compared to most other styles of music. And what you then do is you actually play twice the tempo, but not necessarily the music is twice the tempo, but you have twice as many subdivisions, which basically is playing faster in your right hand, but playing the same tempo over here. So instead of going, instead of doing that, you go, right? So however you define advanced, it's an easy conclusion to draw that, you know, if you double the speed of whatever you do, then, you know, that's pretty advanced. And everywhere I look, that's what's going on. If you switch to another sound here, right, and I go all dark on you, then you could say that this, right, that's pretty, you know, we can learn to do that. But when we speed up our hand, we don't have to do that all the time. But if I go, right, that ability to do everything you do twice as fast as you need to, and then even faster, because of course you have to be able to do that if you want to have some headroom with what you do, right? So the best piece of advice I can give you is to take a bar chord like the D minor 7th, like that, and this will benefit you in any style of music, and then where you have a muting effect in your left hand and can go, right? So I can just lift my fingers slightly, and then I have only, right? And then you might take the, right? You might take that little, or, right? And keep that running. See, slow it down in the beginning, so you go, right? And really, for a period of time, get into funk rhythms, right? Funk strumming patterns. You can find a lot of those on YouTube. That is the solution to kind of take that huge step into advanced strumming patterns. So have fun with it, and I hope to see you in one of the other videos coming up on the screen here.